quality, accuracy, performance. This is Hart Precision. Founded in the 1950s, Hart Precision has always strived to provide exceeding quality standards to its valued clients. We at Hart specialize in precision machining of engine and drivetrain components for various industries. New challenges and complex manufacturing problems? We face it head-on with our 60-plus years of vast experience and skillful resources, while our flexible approach enables us to successfully meet your most demanding deadlines. To maintain this outstanding delivery, Hart is dedicated to constantly upgrade every aspect of state-of-the-art technology. Our adaptation of the lean manufacturing principles across Hart gives us a competitive edge over our competitors. In addition, Hart Precision practices Six Sigma to maintain consistent quality across all products and services. And our most important resource has always been its people, and in some cases, Hart has employed 2 and 3 generations of dedicated personnel. With state-of-the-art technology, Hart's in-house Swiss machining and CNC machining capability of directing the project from concept to completion, and the versatility of services makes us the pioneers in the field of machining. From customer satisfaction to supplier management, we have cultivated a long-term relationship with our clients throughout this journey. We at Hart pledge to provide a quality performance you will trust and commit to. Excellence is more than our goal, it's our heritage. To know more about our offerings, visit our website or contact us today.